What's up guys, Karan here, and today I have something special for you all guys, and that is 55-inch MI TV 4 Pro, literally the thinnest TV in the world, and today I'm gonna be reviewing that. With that being said, if you guys like the content on this channel, feel free to check out my Instagram account from the first link in the description below, and with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So the price of this TV is 54,999, but I bought it for 50,000 rupees from Flipkart, and it got delivered to me within 2 days, and it got installed after the day of delivery. Pretty quick, right? Now talking about the build quality in one word for me would be pretty awesome and great at the price bracket of 54,000 rupees. As far as the ports are concerned, it has 2 USB 2.0 ports, 3 HDMI ports, an antenna port, a round pin SPDIF port, a AV inputs, and a network port. Now moving towards the remote, it is really minimal, and that's because it has clean design and less buttons. Talking about the build quality, it is really impressive. Now at top you will get on off button, below that you will get Google Assistant button, after that you will get directional pad with OK button in middle. Moving forward, you will get MI patch wall button, then a back button and Android interface button. Below these, you will get volume up and down button. Now here I want to clear that this remote does not have IR LED because it's a Bluetooth remote. That means it's not necessary to point the remote towards the TV. Pretty cool, right? Now talking about the features, this TV has a resolution of 3840 into 2160. The viewing angle is about 178 degree. It has 60 Hz of refresh rate. Talking about the audio, it has Dolby Audio and DTS HD. Now this TV has 2 speakers, each has 8 watt of audio power. Talking about the CPU, it has Amlogic 64-bit quad-core processor. Now the GPU is Mali 450MP. Talking about the RAM and storage, it has 2GB DDR RAM and 8GB eMMC storage. Now this TV uses patch wall and Android. If you guys want in-depth detail of this TV, then check the link in the description below. Okay, so this TV has built-in Chromecast feature, that means you can cast your phone to your MI TV easily. Now let's play the 4K video and see how much this TV can go beyond. Now I personally love the display, it's too awesome. Now talking about the pros of this TV for me would be Android interface at number 1 because it lets you do much more, and yeah, you can download any side-loaded APK like Aptoid or any to get all those applications which you get on a mobile phone. Now at number 2 for me would be Google Assistant because it makes things too easy. Moving to number 3 would be viewing angle, and it has 178 degree viewing angle. Pretty cool. Now talking about the cons of this TV for me would be the use of ports, because once the TV is mounted on the wall, then the use of ports becomes really hard and difficult. Now at number 2 for me would be the speakers, and really the speakers is too bad. If you are buying this TV, then make sure to buy the speaker, the one I have suggested, links in the description below. Now if you will ask me that should you buy this TV in the year 2018, then I will suggest to go for it. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like the video, just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, links in the description below. And with that being said, this is Karan signing off. I will catch you guys in my next one. Have a great day. Peace out.